Right here, I have the helmet that you're looking for. What's up, guys? My name is TJ. Today, I'm going to be going a full depth review of this BOSOAR helmet. So you guys are going to want to stick around. I have shots of me riding with this on so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm riding my dirt bike and my scooter. So take a look. This thing looks so stylish, and we even get this nice visor on the top. It's super aerodynamic, so it's not going to mess anything up when you're riding. But honestly, I just think it looks cool because the shape of this is very sporty. It's very stylish. It's like extreme sports style. We got a little bit of a fin in the back. We got 15 vents going on here, so this thing is pretty crazy. Fits a size head from 55 to 61 centimeters. I'm on the lower side of that, so this is going to be fully open. I'm like a 55, 56. So you can see how much room there is. Initially, if there wasn't any adjustment, I'd be like, this helmet's too big. On the back, we have a system that ratchets. So as I secure that down, I mean, I could lock it down pretty good. And now this thing is barely moving. I mean, you could see it's not coming off. We have a nice adjustable strap on the bottom, has a very nice comfort on here as well. So this comfort is gonna be padded, so it really doesn't hurt, doesn't feel uncomfortable at all, but there's a lot of high level adjustment, and you could tuck those straps in so they're not flying around. This also has one feature that I do love, and that's gonna be the GoPro mount. So I'm gonna show you how to install a GoPro and what that looks like on the helmet. All right, so take a look on the top here. We do have this nice GoPro mount. There's just a little bit of like ridges on there just to keep it nice and secure. Now, this right here is gonna be the kind of mount that you are gonna need. That's not gonna come in the kit, but all you have to do is just push that on, and these things snap in place. So you can use any one of them. It's gonna match up with a GoPro, and this thing's on there. It's not coming off. All you gotta do is just pinch this and push it up, and it comes right out. Now for the GoPro, I am using a Hero 11, so I'll just pull that down. I don't have a battery or anything in mind right now. That is gonna go right into that mount. Take my little lock, and I'll lock that in place. All right, so now my mount is totally on and ready to go. So you can adjust this to where you want and get that really nice shot. If you wanna put an extension on here, you can. That is totally secure on there, so that's awesome. That already comes with that, so you don't have to stick a 3M on here. It's already built into the helmet. Loosen that back up to put it on, and then there you go. That is awesome. I absolutely love that. So if you're going to be filming mountain biking, dirt biking, e-moto, anything you're going to be doing extreme sport and you want to film it, this is going to be the setup that you want. It's really affordable, comes in so many different colors. I thought the black would just be really nice for my setup and match my bikes because I do have a lot of them. Check out all the other colors. They have a lot of good ones, but that GoPro mount looks awesome. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.